So all the videos which you have recorded with Weezly's Chrome extension and the Screencast function will end up here, and I will tell you how you can organize them in a better way in different folders. So if you want to organize and move these videos, which I have a lot of them, into different folders, simply click create folder and name this folder to anything. So my stuff, for example, hit enter, and then what you can do then is simply just drag and drop this video directly here, and you will get the preview of this video which is inside. So, and you can drag another one, and what you can do then is just simply go inside the folder and you will see what you have. And also you can click here to change the name of this folder if you would like to, and if you would like to move a video back to the main overview, you can just take this video and drag it into here, into Screencast, and it will be moved back. So that is how quickly you can organize things in Weezly. And you can also, if you would like to, you can delete these folders, and at the same time what you can do is you can select multiple videos like this, just click on them and hit move, and then you can select into what folder they should be moved. So that is another way with how you can move and organize your videos. Simple, efficient, and easy to use. So good luck organizing your Screencast and videos in Weezly. Bye-bye.